How to post anonymously or enable anonymous posting in Facebook groups. So if you want to post anonymously or enable anonymous posting in Facebook groups, then first you need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here you need to scroll down and you will find the group section. Tap on groups and it will take you to your groups that you've joined or your groups that you've created. So you can tap on the group in which you would like to post anonymously. So for example, I'll go with this group. Now, if you want to post anonymously or enable anonymous posting, then you need to just tap on the post anonymously section, which is on the middle of your screen. Here you will have post anonymously. So tap on that and tap on got it, which is on the bottom. And now you need to go with the top right, which has a toggle of post anonymously. Here you will have the toggle. You need to go and toggle on the option, and once you toggle it on, you can write something and submit an anonymous post. That's how you can post anonymously or enable your anonymous posting in your Facebook groups. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.